Here is how to see which all devices you're logged into with your Instagram account. So let's get started. First, open Instagram and come to the profile page, which is on the right. Once you're here, click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then select Account Center, that's here. After that, click on Password and Security, which is below. Then under Security Checks, just click on where you're logged in. And here, you'll see all of your accounts. So select the one for which you want to see the devices. I'll select this. And over here, we get all the information. So on top, we can see our current device, which we're logged into. And below, we can see all the other devices. And here in this list, you can see they've mentioned the location, the date, and the time of when you last logged in. So let's say you want to log out from some of these devices. They have that option as well. Just click on Select Devices to log out. Then you can select all of the devices and log out from all. Or if you only want to select some of them, you can manually do that and then click on Log Out. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.